The Traxxas TRX4 Sport is a 1/10 scale ready-to-run rock crawler built for superior off-road performance. It features portal axles for extra ground clearance, a single-speed steel gear transmission, and a full-time shaft-driven 4WD system. With a Titan 21T550 motor and XL5 HVESC, it supports 6 to 7 cell NIMH or 2/3S LiPo batteries. The lightweight clipless body, Canyon trail tires, and TQ 2.4 GHz radio ensure precise control and climbing power. Measuring 21.93-inch long with a 12.28 wheelbase and 3.14 clearance, it's a tough, trail-ready machine priced at $330. The Axial SCX10 Deadbolt RTR is a 1/10 scale ready-to-run rock crawler built for durability and performance. It measures 18.1-inch long with a 12 wheelbase and 2.7 of ground clearance, weighing just 4.65 pounds, built on a steel C-channel chassis with cross-bracing. It features AR44 high-pinion axles, oil-filled coilover shocks, and a Dynamite 35 T540 brushed motor paired with a Spectrum 40A ESC. The included Spectrum SLT2 2.4 GHz radio ensures solid control. Priced at $300, it's a capable crawler ideal for both beginners and experienced hobbyists. The Element RC Enduro Sendero RTR is a 1/10 scale ready-to-run rock crawler that blends performance and value. Measuring 18.1-inch long with a 12.3 wheelbase and 2.7 ground clearance, it weighs about 6.9 pounds and features a steel C-channel chassis with adjustable rock sliders. It includes a RTR 16T550 brushed motor, SC480X ESC, and a 2.4 GHz radio system. The Stealth X gearbox provides adjustable overdrive, while the chassis-mounted servo and behind-the-axle steering boost maneuverability. With oil-filled aluminum shocks, it handles rough trails with ease. Priced around $350, it's ideal for all skill levels. The HPI Venture 18 Toyota Hilux SR5 is a 1/18 scale RC crawler that blends scale realism with solid performance. It features a licensed 1985 Toyota Hilux polycarbonate body with detailed hard plastic accents. Built on a steel C-channel chassis, it includes a servo-operated 2-speed transmission, all-metal drivetrain gears, and locked differentials for rugged terrain. Oil-filled aluminum-capped shocks ensure smooth handling. The RTR package comes with a 600 mAh 2S Li-ion battery, USB charger, and a 6-channel radio system. Priced around $200, it's a great choice for enthusiasts who want compact realism and capability. The Traxxas TRX4 Land Rover Defender is a 1/10 scale RC crawler that combines scale realism with advanced off-road performance. It features a detailed Defender body, a steel ladder frame chassis, and portal axles for 3.14-inch of ground clearance. Powered by a Titan 21T550 motor and XL5 HVESC, it includes remote locking differentials and a high/low transmission for tackling varied terrain. Oil-filled GTS shocks ensure smooth handling. With a 12.75-inch wheelbase and measuring 23.7 long, this RTR model is priced at $500, perfect for enthusiasts who want realism and rugged capability. The Axial SCX10 Base Camp RTR is a 1/10 scale RC crawler designed for performance and value. It measures 20.75 inch in length with a 12.3 wheelbase and features a durable steel C-channel chassis and AR45 portal axles, offering 2.5 of ground clearance. Powered by a 35T540 brushed motor and Spectrum 40A waterproof ESC, it handles rough terrain with ease. Oil-filled shocks and licensed Falcon Wild Peak tires ensure great traction and control. Priced around $320, it's a solid option for both beginners and experienced RC crawlers looking for quality at a reasonable price. The Element RC Enduro ZL IFS2 RTR is a 1/10 scale trail truck built for serious RC crawling. It measures 18.1 inch long with a 12.8 wheelbase and features independent front suspension and a gatekeeper rear suspension with trailing arms for improved tuning and weight balance. Powered by a RD 14T550 brushed motor and SC480X waterproof ESC, it's ready for all terrains. It includes threaded aluminum shocks, a chassis-mounted servo, and licensed General Grabber X tires on Method 71 beadlock wheels. Priced at $400, it's a well-rounded RTR rig for both beginners and seasoned hobbyists. The Redcat Ascent Fusion is a 1/10 scale RC rock crawler built for precision and performance. It features portal axles, 3mm carbon fiber frame rails, and oil-filled aluminum shocks for excellent durability and articulation. Compact at 16.69 inch in length, it offers efficient power delivery and responsive handling. Priced at $400, this ready-to-run crawler delivers a rugged and agile off-road experience, ideal for serious RC enthusiasts. The FMS FCX10 K5 is a 1/10 scale RC crawler that combines vintage style with modern performance. It features a highly detailed 1970s Chevrolet Blazer body, complete with chrome accents and authentic badging. Built on the FCX10 chassis, it includes a 2-speed transmission, switchable 2WD/4WD, and lockable front and rear differentials for terrain versatility. Portal axles, oil-filled shocks, and a 550 brushed motor with a 60A ESC provide durability and smooth handling. Priced around $400, this RTR model offers an ideal mix of scale realism and trail capability. The Vanquish VRD Stance RTR is a 1/10 scale RC crawler built for competitive performance and versatility. It features stamped aluminum frame rails, a 6° flat skid plate, and a VFD transmission for a low center of gravity and stability. The F10 portal axles include brass-weighted tubes and alloy knuckle covers, delivering a 24% final overdrive for optimal traction. With a 12.67-inch wheelbase and 7.87 width, it's compact yet capable. Powered by a VM135T brushed motor and V1 ESC, it offers reliable trail performance. Priced at $500, it's ideal for serious RC enthusiasts and competitors alike. The Traxxas Summit is a 1/10 scale RTR RC crawler built for versatility and rugged off-road performance. Powered by a Titan 775 motor, it features a transmitter-operated high/low transmission and remote locking front and rear differentials for smooth terrain transitions. Its durable exo-cage body adds aggressive styling, while a 10 LED light system enables night driving. Riding on geode rims with Canyon tires, it delivers excellent traction and stability. The Tichy 2.4 GHz 4-channel radio ensures precise control. Priced around $500, the Summit is a top-tier choice for RC enthusiasts seeking power, durability, and adaptability. The Vanquish H10 Optic Kit is a precisely engineered 1/10 scale RC rock crawler designed for high-performance enthusiasts. It features a VFD transmission with a forward-mounted motor and integrated dig system for optimal weight balance and advanced control. The wider H10 axles include a scale hydraulic ram-style steering with a concealed servo, blending realism with functionality. Its molded ABS hard body, inspired by trail buggies, hides a smartly placed battery compartment in the driver's side panel. With a 13.26-inch wheelbase, 8.11 hex-to-hex width, and 7.80 height, with 4.75 tires, it delivers a solid trail-ready platform. Priced at around $390, this kit requires wheels, tires, and electronics, making it a premium base for custom builds. The Axial Capra 1.94 WS Unlimited Trail Buggy RTR is a 1/10 scale rock crawler built for extreme maneuverability and performance. Its standout feature is the four-wheel steering system, controlled by the included Spectrum DX3 2.4 GHz transmitter, allowing precise handling on tough terrain. It features licensed Currie F9 portal axles for added ground clearance and reduced torque twist. Powered by a Spectrum 40A ESC and a 35T 540 brushed motor, it delivers smooth, reliable power. The durable tube chassis and 1.9-inch wheels with Proline Interco TSL SX Super Swamper tires ensure excellent traction. Priced around $500, it's a ready-to-run beast for serious RC crawlers. The Axial SCX10 Jeep JT Gladiator RTR is a 1/10 scale RC crawler that blends scale realism with top-tier performance. Built on the SCX10 chassis, it features a replica V8 engine cover with a front-mounted 540 brushed motor for improved weight distribution. AR45 portal axles boost ground clearance and reduce torque twist, while the functional dig transmission allows rear axle locking via the included Spectrum DX3 transmitter. The detailed Jeep JT Gladiator body includes over 20 molded parts, like a bed rack and door handles, and sits on a stable 14-inch wheelbase. Priced around $580, it's a premium RTR option for serious trail enthusiasts. The The Redcat Everest Ascent is a 1/10 scale RC rock crawler engineered for performance and value. It features a 42T550 brushed motor, V4 crawler ESC, and a forward-mounted motor with a quick-change underdrive transfer case for improved climbing. Portal axles boost ground clearance, while the low CG flat rail chassis enhances stability. Aluminum oil-filled shocks, a 35 kg metal gear waterproof servo, and the Redcat RTX 4-channel radio with adjustable EPA ensure durability and control. Measuring 444 mm long with a 313 mm wheelbase, it's priced at $320, an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced RC enthusiasts.